I'm Anil Kumar, and in this particular video we will try to understand how to evaluate a composite function. Let us consider f of x equals to x squared plus 2x minus 1 and g of x equals to x plus 2. Determine each of the following: g of f of 1, f of g of 1, f of g. You can pause the video, answer this question, and then look into my suggestion. I have purposely taken a very simple example since we need to understand the basic concept. Now when I say evaluate g of f of 1, that means the function g should follow the function f. So inside function is always first. So in the first step, you need to find what is f of 1. So let's calculate what is f of 1. F of 1 means f of x is x squared plus 2x minus 1. Substitute 1 for x. So we get 1 squared plus 2 times 1 minus 1. That is 1 plus 2 minus 1, that is equals to 2. So f of 1 is 2. So we can write this as g of f of 1 is 2. So I'm writing g of 2, correct? So first evaluate the inside function and then follow it up with the outside function, g of 2. G of 2 means you have to substitute 2 in g of x. So let's substitute it directly here. So we get 2 plus 2 and the answer for us is 4. So that is how you evaluate, correct? Now let's do the next one. Now here we have f of g of 1. So we can also write like this: f of, let's do the inside function, g of 1. So we'll substitute 1 here. So we get 1 plus 2, right? That is f of 3. Now we can substitute 3 in f of x. So that is the range of g of x, right? And that becomes the domain for f of x. So substituting, we get 3 squared plus 2 times 3 minus 1, or 9 plus 6 minus 1, and that gives us 15 minus 1 as 14. The last one here is to find the function itself, f of g. So or g is followed by f. Now here in this particular case, it can be written in the same way as we have written earlier. That means f of g of x, right? Now g of x is given to us as x plus 2. So we can write inside this f of x plus 2. Now x plus 2 becomes the argument for the function, and so we can replace this x with x plus 2. Replacing it, we get x plus 2 whole square plus 2 times x plus 2 minus 1. Now you can expand and simplify. Get x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 2x plus 4 minus 1. Combine the like terms. X squared, 4x plus 2x is 6x. 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 take away 1 is 7. So we get plus 7, right? So that is how you can do composition of function, right? Now as an exercise, what you can do is you can find domain and range of f of g of x. This is a quadratic function. It could be written in vertex form, and then you could find its domain and range, right? So that could be done. You could also find g of f and find its domain and range. But I hope this video gives you a good insight of how to evaluate composite functions. Thank you and all the best.